And me and Josh, just after sunrise, we couldn't quite see the sun, but we went to this place, river, and it was nice and cold, and went for a swim there. You could see the steam coming off the river, and it looked like it was a warm bath, but it was completely the opposite of that. But it was, it's such a highlight of the day, and like a moment when you could take yourself and go into nature, immerse yourself, and over time it just becomes something. Wherever I go, wherever I'm traveling, I'm like, I want to find that spot in that day where I can get in, immerse myself in some water, if it's just for 10 seconds, if it's just my feet, you know, if it's just up to my waist. There's a moment where there's something in it that's just calling, that's just appealing, that's deep in our human to explore and play. And
how much was the bet?
I've got a spare towel if you want to join.
You're safe. Yeah, just the...
Ooh, very brave.
Right.
Is it cold?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Probably get worse next month.
Yeah. And I reckon as well, it's added pressure, isn't it? If you put yourself out there, you want anything different, it's just like, no matter how you feel, you get in the water, and it just silences the mind.
Your head poked out and it's just, you're just there, aren't you? Like, and just go around back to the car park.
Yeah, like, you ever been to Laos?
Yeah, oh,
I
think Rolston to do each time.
You reckon?
Hey, hello.
It's good.
Another decent spot, that.
Yeah, it's a really good spot actually, I like this one.
Yeah. Alright. Not sure if you can see, but that's Penny Fan, the highest mountain, the one I went up today. It's in the background. This is quite fitting.
So you teach that isolation, break them up, and then you put air in, and then when you're feeding your free run.
Oh. Ready? Oh, we can walk out, yeah?
One already in.
Oh, it's sludgy here. Is it sludgy over there? Yeah. Slug.
Those patches like sludge and then rock.
Ah.
That's it! Hardwick's done! Yeah! Oh, this place is so sick on here.
Jeez. Dried out. That looks hard. What surrounds us here?
Evenings when they didn't have TV and that and they're just chilling around the fire, that's meditation, isn't it?